Redeemable deed means that you're gonna be bidding to own the property. You're gonna have ownership rights of the property. But the owner has a right to pay the property taxes back. But so the question somebody brought up says, what happens if you buy the property and the property's empty or vacant? What do? Right? A lien, you can't do anything. A redeemable deed, depending on the state, you can, because you have ownership now. You can control the property now, so it doesn't get worse. We'll get into that, okay? So, but remember, they still have a right to pay the taxes back and get the property back. All right? So you have some ownership rights to do that. So what happens is, if they pay, you will get your interest rate, and then the owner will get the property back. If they don't pay, you get the property. All right? Ownership. Redeemable deed. There's only a few states that do that. So we can go through these. Texas.
Is there a waiting?
Huh?
Is there a waiting period?
Yeah. So every state's gonna have, you're gonna have a time period, you're gonna have to wait. Okay? So in Texas is unique. They will pay you a 25% penalty first year. So if the owner pays, you will get your money back plus 25%. All right? Again, it's a bit of premium. Whoever pays the highest amount will win. Okay? 25% penalty, not interest rate, penalty. So if they're 1 day late, you get 25% in Texas. It's either a 6 months or 2 years. 6 months, 2 years is basically homestead, which is mostly, owner occupied, or agriculture.